Good morning, welcome back to DuckSport, and today I'm heading back over to Steve Walford's to carry on making the 100EA roller. So you'll also probably see behind me I've got a load of stuff in the boot. I've got the engine and box, some more wheels and a few other bits and pieces. Not sure we're going to get there with doing anything with the engine and box today, but at least it's over there then, and if we do get a chance we can maybe try that in the bay. On the way over there though, I've got to stop off and pick up some parts. As you'll have seen in the last video, we definitely need some over fenders, so got some of those to go and pick up. The other thing we need for today is something to make a panhard bar out of. Now unfortunately this week neither of us were able to get out and actually get what we need, which was going to be some thick wall steel tube of the right length. So last night I decided I was going to go full DuckSport and see what I could pick up on the way to Steve's today. I've found a solution that might work that Steve doesn't know about yet, so it'll be interesting to see what he thinks when we get there. So just got the car now into the lift and I'm going to start getting the rear axle and front suspension fully sorted. So, car's on the ramp, axle's under it. Stance is looking awesome now. We've got the car roughly at ride height. We're now just going to start work on the panhard bar. We have got the Land Rover one, but as it's solid it's going to be quite a lot of work to get that to work. And we've just realised that the old steering shaft off the kit car could well be the right material for making the panhard bar from. So we're going to cut the ends off and have a look. And there we go, panhard bar in. That will do for now. It might be only a temporary one, it might remake it out of something a bit better, but it'll do to get the car rolling and home. Our next job is making these nice Spax coilovers connect to the axle, and to the top mount we've just mocked up the wheel, and so we've got loads of clearance, so now need to make the brackets. Oh, I hate this camera. Do that again. There we go. We have rear suspension. So we've just tried the comp brake adjustable track control arm on the bottom there. Unfortunately, it's still a little bit positive, so we are going to need to make a bracket. It's just not going to be enough adjustment in there. But yeah, she's looking good. Another day back down at Wolford's, and he's cracked on and got some bits done while I was in here. So the front suspension now is pretty much sorted. He's got the adjustable track control arms on, just had to extend these brackets, and also sorted out the tie bar with this lovely little bend which makes all the difference. Goes back then now to that bracket over there. So Steve's just with a customer, so while he's doing that, I'm just going to check the steering arm stuff that I bought. These are them. A turnbuckle from McGill Motorsport and suitable rose joint. I've got it at maximum toe-in adjustment right now, just to see if they are short enough. And let's move that over a bit. There we go. That looks absolutely cock on. So that wants to come in a bit. Just going to move the wheel. So with that set to full toe in, you can see we'd actually get a shitload of it, but there's plenty of adjustment in that. So I reckon got that cock on. Okay, rack all bolted up. Had to make a new spacer because the one was too thin, but yeah, all good now. That's nice and solid, not going anywhere. That's the steering shaft cut to size and mocked up into place. So just need to put some bolts through the universal joint to hold them in place, bolt the track rods into place, and then we've got steering. There you go, down on our own wheels, got steering, she's a roller. So I'm going to call that it for this video. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for notifications on when the next videos come out.